Hey everybody, how are you doing today? This is me Noishixzen and welcome again another fresh start. So I'm creating this video just tell you that in upcoming weeks we will publish some random Sketchware videos. So if you're not familiar with Sketchware, it doesn't matter because this video is not created for all of my subscribers. As you know that it created for some targeted audiences. So if you don't know about Sketchware, it's a completely Android development tool for Android apps, so you can easily create your own customized your own Android application on your Android devices. As you know, this channel is versatile and it has a lot more potentials, so you may ignore these videos. So if you don't want to create your own apps or programming etc. So in upcoming weeks we'll ensure the Sketchware tutorials and more related videos with free projects from the project store launch. So yeah, thank you for watching, subscribe, stay tuned and hit the notification.